okweraga nti wa people power. Tolabanga bino jasi bya
let's bring this out. You think this issue doesn't have any political thing to be jemo ebyobufuzi. If it was for NRM, could you come with a t-shirt of NRM and do the bombing? You can't do it. So let's not have the peregeses, we don't want.
Today is an English version, sir.
Yeah, you know, when I heard that it is an English version, I said, oh my God, this is my best day. But I had this of, what I'm going to tell you, Sevuchu. I want to say with you. Sevuchu, I want all this team of yours to go to Hands of Rav. But on the Kremu Nasari, I had the issue of Kabering, the way the guy is talking, eating words. It came to Isabir, I said, oh my God. Then I was even wondering, but my daughter Erin, she knows very good English. I don't know whether I went to Cavendish.
Thank you. But I went with Sekade.
No. Even the team that is going to Hands of Rav, I'm informing Mr. Ward, make sure Sekade na ajayo.
Okay.
Sekade has also to go to Nasari. But on the Kirao, I always hear him in his English. Akubira ukubire. So Omubede. No, I was even just wondering, which kind of teacher are you? Mbone wasomesa abana. Your English is very fake. Very fake. That is being very stupid. No. Which kind of, that's why because they are being taught by fake teachers. Look at Omubede. Then which kind of products can you put out? Nganawe statement yokuremo kusoma mu ruzungu.
My dear, I can speak fluent English. I'm very fluent in English. Sirogede.
Those are just simple words. Those are simple words.
Sentebe mpaye ekigambo kimu nkisome mu ruzungu gamba sisobola kisoma.
I want you to say enganga yabiseji.
Electroencephalogram laid an egg.
No, that is a science. That is a science term. Don't deceive me. No. Sagaroni imbi. No, that is a kabiza kato. Don't deceive me. You have issues when you want to steal people. That's how you say. The wrong group of Henry, when it connects to the Bomanese capital, then that is very bad. You don't know English. Don't even shut up. Don't even say anything. Wamaerin.
Yes.
What I've heard you English, you're a very good woman. Very good.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Went to school, Somabichi. What did you go there to do? One is a corredio no yasama. Netomanya do where with you. That is it. Don't mind. Don't look at me. For what?
Abasoga twala batetulina kaffe. Gaya jana n'abavumire wamwe n'abasirisa just like that.
Kobi tuzirana buwereso.
No, Omubede, what I'm asking. What I'm asking is one. The akumanyerere wamwe, where is yours? Is here yours?
Hey.
Are you mugada here?
Wano gwe mugenyi. Ffe tuli bawa.
No, being of here doesn't mean that you Oriwawa, no. You don't go back to Busoga. There is what you could tell us. Which village is that? Namad. You go to Namad. And there at the radio station, Kendo Koreyo.
Zajura.
Then why did you rush to Uganda? You want a lot of green pastures here in Kampala. You can't do it in Basogas. Look at this one. English time you were there, Uganda.
Now you've told us Bishop Semuju should take us to Nasari.
Back to Hands of Rav International.
When? Amasamelonga Magai.
But you were August.
Which year?
This year.
Do they walk it on Batata?
No, I'm telling you, it is this year. Plus the other man of yours. The other one.
oyo yagererewo kuba ebyoli ate tolaba nti ffe wakiri oba tugezagezaako ku kingere
babegateko. But I said it is English everywhere. But you're making me speak Luganda. That is very bad. You're shaming me. You have this song of give me the song of Sukari.
yatugana
No, you just give it, don't mind. I'll talk to him.
bana batukuba kiboko naberayo
I'll talk to him, don't mind. I told Gambia one more. Very good. Tokakiriza nyo. Tumbiza. Very good. Abaka wempe checho, kasukari checho, machindi checho, mbuza checho, kabeiro checho.
Abana mwabamye Beiro sebo abana baza musango kigabazima.
When they gave that song of Kasukari, I said that I want to show these boys that you are nothing. Tumuinda chimuri. Tumuturi takuru just. I was asking tuongeremu Kasukari.
Muchi.
Mutocha. We want some tocha. Tuongeremu obake ku. Ekigere kivundo batungeremu. Look at this boy.
Baba yimbule bagindi begazana.
Kuyimbura for what? Baberenga batayaya. Bagende bateme bijambia. Uyagara tubate bagende bongere bateme. We are in the risks of bomb everywhere. We diverted from bijambia now turi ku bomb. Kikapya kariwo.
Komu ino kalwanyisa.
Katu inoso ko kanoko kazibu. Because ateko katwara banji.
Nawe kenyini otulikiramu.
So we have to be security conscious. But bavijambia tubaina bagira baberake tuburante byawumura. Kati byawumura birimu silent mode. Kati ate no the issues of bomb ziraizi ziri kugeno mode. Bieberiko. So don't think don't be there and think to geno kubata. Don't bring out insecurities. Utsegero mobile. Mukakane. Leave them. Baberekeyo. Mutumarako mirembe. I know whenever I'm taking my coffee, but that is rife. When tu kayo nanginga saba peregesi, you'll so have it.
Tate kambuze. Lero kiri kubali. Bwe kinatuuka ewuwo nga tugaye mukwano gwo tugambe isaabirye. Yali mu nkomyo. Naye nammibwa Beiro. Onaayimba Kasukari era.
No. What I know, when it is Isabile there, we can sort it. He is a good friend of mine. We can sort it. Ne tumuyimbura.
Ate wanaabera Kaberenge, Jjajja Kaberenge.
That one, that.
Nga yali mu miwunyo nga gimuwunyidde tugabe bamuwaayiriza.
Which part is Kaberenge?
Aga naga bwabera keno bwandage abala kulia bwandage no bwandage.
Yes, but most of his blood is NRM.
Tasobola.
No, most of the blood that is in him is NRM.
Kali sente teberezanze bampayiriza tugambe ba suspecting nti ndio mu kubateze bomu. Nga bampayiriza just abatanjagaliza abahereni. Okay?
Yeah.
Ne bazigalira. Nange sifune Beiro.
Beiro for what? You are no. This issue of Beiro has to come on one party. Our single Buganji. It is like in Uganda. When you talk Uganda, everywhere Uganda everywhere, Uganda in Sudan, Uganda everywhere. So when you come here, according to the parties, abaino mukwano, abaino kuganya urukundo, it is NRM. So whoever is NRM and makes a problem, we can solve it on the way.
Mwami Mugisha ono. Kubanga Mugisha ne ntwatwa. Tugambe mwami ntwatwa abadda avuga haliya ye. Natomera Mugisha. Mukama waffe wano. Ntwatwa wa NRM.
Yes.
Yasaba n'okubeera deputy Ndolo. Ne bamumma benga kisajja kyatu kikozi.
We shall work upon that, don't mind.
Kati ntwatwa n'atomera Mugisha.
Yes.
Nga Mugisha naye wa side eyo.
Yes.
Omuntu atwala munne mu kkomera olina amateeka agategeera wembuuliza ntwatwa naasibwa naye taafuna ebbeeyiro.
No, what we do tukora tuti ntwatwa tumuta Mugisha ne tumugurire emigo.
Ensonga ezimu zisaana mwenye.
Leave issues of generals to generals.
Ono ye munene mu gavumenti.